Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. Ahsan Iqbal, Dr. Ijaz Shafiq Gilani, Mr. Shamshad Ahmad Khan, I'm personally grateful to you for having accepted our invitation to come and interact with the students at the forum of Center for the Globally Responsible Leaders, briefly what we call CGRL. Today's seminar is the first of a series of activities which our center has planned for developing the next generation of globally responsible leaders.
Fellow citizens, that I try to speak in Urdu because mostly what we do is we leave our national language to either do backbiting or to throw abuses, and we do all the nice talk in English. तो उससे बड़ी खुशी है कि आज एक बहुत अहम मसले पर आपने ये सेमिनार किया है, चैलेंजेस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फॉर पाकिस्तान। दुनिया में तब्दीली जब आती है तो उसको देखने के तीन तरीके होते हैं, या आप प्रोएक्टिवली उस तब्दीली को देखकर उसके अंदर सलाहियत पैदा करते हैं, या आप रिएक्टिवली उस तब्दीली का इंतज़ार करते हैं कि वो तब्दीली हो ले, उसके बाद हम उससे मुकमुका करेंगे, तो फिर वो डैमेज कंट्रोल ही होती है। और तीसरा ये होता है कि आप तब्दीली का इनकार करते रहें और वो तब्दीली आपको सफ़ाहस्ती से मिटा देती है।
We are a crisis-ridden state. We have still not recovered from the constitutional crisis precipitated 2 years ago by General Musharraf's assault in one stroke on the constitution, the judiciary, the media, and the people all together. Common man's life has never been so miserable. The dictator's legacy in the form of 17th Amendment is still hanging out there in the form of 17th Amendment in the presidency. The government took more than a year to restore the deposed judges, but only under pressure of the long march. Globally, we are today a spectacle of August 1947. Quaid-e-Azam had warned us against what he called the evils of bribery, corruption, black marketing, nepotism, and jobbery. He wanted the government and the assembly to take adequate measures to put these evils down with an iron hand. We as a nation have not only failed to grapple with these challenges, but are in fact living remorselessly with these problems as an integral part of our society. Government and assemblies have been part of the problem rather than the solution. Aversion to the rule of law is endemic. Poor governance has been our national hallmark. Crime and corruption remain rampant and galore, both in scope and scale. Ladies and gentlemen, we know that materially we are a rich country in terms of human and natural resources. We just have to capitalize on our resources. We have, out of 192 countries in the world, 190 countries are our friends. And today we have ourselves restricted that number to only 22 countries. We call them friends of Pakistan. This is the extent of the foreign policy. This is the only pathway to hope and change that we in Pakistan often describe as Ummeed-e-Seher, the hope of a new dawn. 18 फरवरी को 8 साल तारीख रात तो गुजर गई, लेकिन सुबह अभी तक नहीं आई। शब रफ्त सुबह ने आमद, रात चली गई लेकिन हम हैं सुबह का भी इंतजार है।